Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can use your Kinemaster, the second app that I told you about, to create your video content, and that's what I'm going to be doing right now. So quickly I am going to click on this Kinemaster logo. This is the application, so you should go to Google Play and download it. So I'm going to click on it right now to open it and start working on it. So as you can see, this is the display of Kinemaster app, and to start your new video content, you click on the logo, the circle logo in the middle with plus sign. Actually, these are the ones designs I've made with it before. So but since you are starting starting your own new, so I'm gonna click on that now. So after clicking on it, you can see you are presented with the frames of your video. So I will choose the left one here, so that is 16:9. Now the first thing you are being presented is your background, favorite, and every other thing there, so you can click on wherever you want. But since I'm going to be teaching you a lot of things here, so I'll start with the basic one, the text. So I'm going to click on the background. That's the first thing, the background of the video. So I will choose white as the background. You can see that it has selected it. So then after you're done with that, the next thing is for you to, excuse me, let me see what's going on. So coming. Okay, so what is this one? Privacy. Okay, so this is the background of my video. So the first thing I want to show you is, let me show you. You can see there is something I'm doing here. I'm trying to move this straight line down to the beginning. So the first thing is to show you how you can use text to write something on your background. So you choose layer. You can see we have a lot of features here. We have layer, we have media, we have audio, we have voice. So what you're gonna do now is to click on the layer. Now clicking on the layer, you can see I have a lot of things. I have media from the top, media, effect, overlay, text, and writing. So the first thing we are doing is to use the text aspect. So just type anything like just like I did in my video, welcome, then you click on it. Now you can see it's displaying nothing because it's in white, just like the white background. So you click on this color white here beside the scissors sign. So then you change the color. I will change it to red, then you click OK. So you can see. So the next thing is you can change the style font by clicking this AA, capital letter A and small letter A here. Then my phone favorite is you can choose anyone. So you can actually, I installed some fonts. I will show you how to do that too later on. So I'll just choose one here now. Let me choose this one. Then you click OK. So you can see I have welcome. Now the next thing here, which is very important, is how you want your text to display. Just if you watch that my presentation video, you can see that. Okay, let me show you. See this in animation, you click on it. So the first one here is none, that is, it has no in animation. So if you want another one, you can click on fade. You see what happened? Can you see that? So if you want pop, you can see that slide in, slide right, slide left, and all that. So but to save our time, let me use drop. Can you see drop? Okay, so then after setting the one you like, then you can move this arrow to show how slow you want it or how fast. If I move it backward, it will be faster. If I move backward, then it will be slower. So let me just leave it at 1.5 since it's a drop down. It creates an attention, it gets people's attention. So let me leave that way. Then you click OK, the mark symbol here. So once you are done with that, you can play your video. So let me play it and see how it looks like. Can you see that? So now another thing you need to understand is, can you see this? Once I click on the text welcome, under this white background here, you can extend the length of your video. But before that, you need to extend the length of your background. Can you see that? I've extended it. You can also move it backward, so that it will have more space to work on your video or text or everything. So you can see that. So you can extend the length of the text too. You get. So another thing which is very important here is let me see. So on the text, you can do a lot of things here. You can, when I enable the glow button, can you see that, the glow function rather? So to do that again, I'll click on the text, then come back. There are a lot of things you can do. Okay, background color as well. If you want to add background to this, just come enable it first, then enter here and change the background. Let me put it to yellow. So then I click OK. So you see that? So I have it. Then you click. So if you also want it for the full width, just click on this background. Can you see what happened? So then click it. If you don't want it, turn it off. So but let me use it for this purpose of this video. So then click OK. The mark arrow. So let's watch it from the beginning again. You move your arrow back here. Then if you play, you click on the play button. So can you see that? Very simple. So another thing is, let me see. Okay, let me now show you the handwriting tool. I've clicked on the handwriting tool. So to use the handwriting tool, I will choose this pen symbol. So using this now, you can use it to, can you see? Okay, because sorry, let me clean it. Actually, this symbol here that I click on is for the cleaner, so you can use it to clean it. So now, if you want to select, the reason why it shows it that way is because I've selected, you can see. Okay, so the reason why it's like that is because I've selected, okay, this is it here. Can you see it? So you can change how thick or thicker you want your pen to be. So I will just put it something like this. So I'll use the pen again now. Can you see it now? So assuming I want to draw anything, or you want to do any demarcation on your video, so you can use this handwriting tool. Then once you are done, you can clean it. If you don't want it again, you click on this one. But if you want everything to clean the way, just click on the second one here. Can you see that? So very easy. So moving on, let me say another thing, like another tool like I explained there. Okay, you can just go. Okay, let me show you another thing that is very important, is this effect. Now I've downloaded some effects here. So assuming, okay, I will explain effects during the video. Now let me just delete this and move to the video part. I think I've explained the whole thing under this. So the remaining features, you can just go through it. This is for shadow. If you want it to shadow, just enable it, and you can see that. Can you see the shadow as I'm increasing this? Can you see the shadow has actually come out? So you can click that. So you see a lot of things you can do with it. So moving on, that's done. That's about the text aspect. Now moving on, now I will show you how to edit your video right now. So I'm going to delete this. You don't need the background for any video, okay? So that is what I want to do. So this is the delete button at the left hand side here. Just click on it, then boom. Now for your video, click on the media, then to display your gallery for you. Now let's assume I want to edit. Let me find one video here I can edit. Okay, let me see. Okay, let me just go and click on my video. Okay, let me just click on one video here just to practice. So I've clicked on one. Now you can see that it brought me to the end of the video. So you move your the sidebar to the beginning. Okay, so now, oh, is the background still there? What is this one? Okay, the welcome stuff, so I will delete it now. So now I will show you how you can add effects to your video. Now this is the beginning of the video. I want to add effect to it, so I will click on this layer, then go to effect. Can you see this effects? Click on it, then it's because I've actually we have the basic one there. Can you see that? We have the basic one there. Let me click on it for you to see. But the other ones like scan reader, focus, overlay, night sight, sky, I actually installed it, and I will show you how you can do that. Let me pause this. Coming. Okay guys, let's quickly continue about this video. So I'm going to delete this handwriting. I don't need it again, so you click on it, then press delete for it. Now I wanted to show you how to add effects. I love effects on my video, especially for the opening of the video. So you click on this layer, then you can see the effect here. Click on it. Now if you watch my video on YouTube, you will notice that I use this effect, this one, then you click on it here. Okay, so you can extend it. Actually, once you select it, just click the mark symbol here, that is okay. Now you can see it's brought it for you, so you can actually extend it to spread over your background. Okay, good. Now you can play it. So I'm gonna, then you click the OK, that is the mark symbol to select. So now I'll play the video for you to see.
Deeply low on cash and worried about survival? I discovered.
Because this effect is not actually let me say is not really okay for this video, as in for the intro of this video. So I will change it. I will click delete. I'm still coming. So once I click on the night stump, you can press delete for it. So I actually used one for it, so let me show you the one I used. I don't know whether you watched the video. This is one I used. I used this scan wave. So click on it, then okay, so you can see I use this for this effect for this video. So and you see the way I did it now. So press OK, the max symbol. Now look at it.
Deeply low on cash and worried about survival? I discovered.
Now if since you can see that, so if you don't want the length of the effect to be that much, just click on it and reduce it. Can you see it? Reduce it. Okay, good. So let's see how it goes. Let me delete this blur or something. We don't need it. So now look at it.
Deeply low on cash and
okay, it didn't cover the whole thing, so I extended it backward. So see how it goes.
Deeply low on cash and worried about survival? I discovered.
So that's about the effect. Another thing is that's very important is if you want to join two clips together, maybe you are doing a presentation and it gets to a stage that you want to let them know that okay, this part is for the benefits or this part is for a particular title. Anyway, just click on this, just come to coming layer, overlay. Okay, coming, let me find out where that one is. Okay guys, another thing I want to show you here is let me see another button I can show you. If I click on this length of the video, you can see I have clip graphics, speed, reverse and all that. So if you want to darken the video, just click on this. Oh, sorry, let me move this one downward. Yeah, click on this vignette. You can see that it darkens the video. So but I don't need that. So if you want to extract the video to, just come here, the voice changer, there are some things like voice changer. It changes the voice. Let me show the robot one. Robot and play it for you.
Deeply low on cash and worried about survival?
So if you want to use
I discovered.
modulation,
Deeply low on cash.
man.
Deeply low on cash and worried about survival? I discovered
Can you remember
the
this?
hidden secrets of making money online even in a pandemic crisis like coronavirus.
Arrows.
You can make enough money to survive in any situation, even in a pandemic crisis like coronavirus, if you have the relevant skills to offer.
Deeply low on cash and
So another function I want to show you here is okay, let me just click on this video again, then come to this clip graphics. Yeah, assuming you want to add, just like I told you, want to add a text. Okay, for example, let me click on this. I use this on my video where I wrote pay attention. So I use something like this, bam. You can use it. So you can you see what it shows on your video here? Assuming, let me move the length of the video to somewhere where I said pay attention. You can't really see it now, but assuming, let me just do it, you understand. So write the title of what you want to communicate, like pay attention. Pay attention. Then click OK. So you will see it. Can you see that now? Then you click select OK for it. So whenever your video gets to this place, it will say, I'll play it for you now.
to the other. But wait, money doesn't move from someone's account to the other.
Can you see it now? So let me play the video back again.
Current money is currency. Money is currency because it has.
Let me see. So actually something went wrong here, because okay, see if for example, just like something went wrong here now, assuming you don't you want to restore the previous session, just come to this thing that looks like refresh, press it, then press it again. For it, you can see I've removed it. Actually what happened is that I was trying to use the clip graphics. Okay, let me see. Let me use this bracket one. I saw this one. Okay, good. You can see that exactly where it's I didn't see the other time. So this one is actually, if you want to clip two parts together, just like I want to show you now. So it will actually move to the end of this thing. Okay, let me just quickly rush through it. So you bring it closer to each other, or to the length of the video you want to clip together. I will show you how that looks like now. So assuming you want to use it to communicate something maybe to your student, like okay, this part is for the benefit, then you want them to see it, like to create that attention or to make them to notice it. You see how it works now. So this is how you do it. Actually, you move it until it goes to the place you want it. Okay, let me move the second one to come and meet it. So move it. Oh, okay, this is it here. So now, assume I want to clip this, only this part that, okay, pay attention here. So I'll write the topic now. Pay attention. So now, can you see that now? I'm actually trying to change the color. Can you see that? So then you click OK. So what I'm now trying to say is that, let me play it for you to see.
You will still take your own share of the current money. I know you would be wondering what is current money.
So
I know, right?
that's that on that aspect. You can click on the so if you want to edit, just click on the pay attention in the on the video. So that's that about that. Then let me say another thing I can quickly explain because of our time here. Actually, when you go through it, you will understand a lot of things about it. So I'm just giving you the basics. Okay, yeah, good. The next thing is to add your, let me show you how to add your audio. You come here, assuming I want to add my audio to this now, I'll go to the end of the video. Okay, then I'll click on the audio. So now for your audio, these are the songs on my phone, but if I don't want to use my songs, you can see these are the songs on my audio. So if you want to use this, just select the plus symbol. So as I want to use this one now, I will just click plus sign. Can you see it has added it? So then you select the mark symbol. Hey, Jesus. Sorry for that distraction. So okay, the audio has been added. I will show you how you can add. So I'll play the.
Deeply low on cash and worried about survival.
The audio is going.
I discovered.
But assuming you don't want to use it, you want to use the music on the system. I'll delete this one now. So just come back to the end of the video, then click audio. Then from audio you go to music assets. Okay, go to music assets here at the left hand side here. Now it will show you. Can you see that? Because I've installed all these songs, that's why I'm having them here. If you have not installed it, it will take you to a place where you are going to install. But if you want to install it, just come to SFX assets here. Can you see get sound effect? Then you click it. So it will load you a lot of things. Actually, I've installed some. The reason why you see some, it will write premium. Let me see. Okay, yeah, you can see premium. There are also free ones there, but the free ones are like they are at the bottom of the page. So for the premium, you actually subscribe. It's 1,400 a monthly. So actually, I'm using the 7 days free trial. Okay, so that's why I'm able to install these premium ones. So I'll just go back. So let's assume I want to download this. Nobody, you can play it before you download it. So let me download this one. Then I'm going back. So there are a lot of songs there. So now, assuming you can see that the is you come back to music asset. That's where the song that you downloaded just downloaded will be. So it will be somewhere here, sha. So now I want to choose one for my song, for my music.
Come on.
Okay. As soon as I want to use this freestyle, I'll click on this plus symbol. I'll click on the plus symbol. Then you can see that it has been selected. I'll click on mark as okay. Now, there's something important here. Let me play it for you to see.
Low on cash and worried about survival.
You can see that the voice of this song it has covered the video. So how to adjust it? Just pause it. Click on the music length here, the music bar. Then come to this volume. Can you see the volume symbol here? So it is always best. You can see it at 100% here. So it's always best to reduce it to at least, let me say 6, or let me say from 0 to 8. But the best is either 6 or 7. Like you see it now, unless if there are songs or music that are very low. So let me use 7. Then you click on the mark symbol as okay. So I'll come back to the beginning and play it.
Deeply low on cash and worried about survival. I discovered the hidden secrets of making money online even in a pandemic crisis like coronavirus.
So if you want to add another one, just click on it. Then where it ends here, click on the OK to adjust, to make the settings you've just done to appear. So to just go to the audio again and add another thing. Okay, just add another song, music assets. Let me just choose something, flames. So I'll choose this one. Select the plus button, then okay. Now you can also, don't forget to adjust the sound to 6 or 7%. Okay, let's leave it that way too. So now I'll play it.
Change for food or nose cover and hand sanitizer. Money also has charges as it flows from people's pockets or accounts to the other. But wait, money doesn't move from someone's account to the other. Something moves it. Can you guess it? I know so many thoughts rushed in your minds to guess it right. I will tell you now, what moves money from one place to another is value. I mean real value. If you offer value to people, they will be willing
to go. So another thing I want to show you is, if you want to add your own voice, just come down to the voice aspect here. Okay, allow. You click on allow, then you start to record. Assuming I want to record my voice at the end here, just now you can start recording. You can see that I started. So just like I'm recording my voice, so assuming I want to use this as trainings even during this coronavirus crisis, that's not all. I have a course I can recommend to you. I named it 3 digital skills that sell online course. Inside the course, I can show you how to make money with the stuff like that. You understand, Sha? Let me pause it now. So when you stop it, the voice recording was too short. Can you see that? So it's telling you to proceed. So what it's telling you is that you need to add more to it. You can cancel it, then do it again. So that's just how to do it. Let me see if I can do that again. So my customers have emptied their bank account to buy up my upsell calls because they knew they always get value from my trainings even during this coronavirus. That's not all. I have a course I can recommend to you. I name it 3 digital that sell online course. Inside this course, I can show you how to make anyone beg you with their money to get value from you or your business. If you fall to the second categories or case studies and all that, I will show you how to start creating your own video content to market your business online, or how you can learn video content creation and marketing as a skill and teach it to people to make money from them. There is more to that. In this course, you will discover how to offer this video content to not to waste our time. Stop it. Let's see. Oh, it's too short again. So you have to prepare for a long thing. So you understand. So that's that on that aspect. Let me see another thing I can explain here. I think I've explained a lot of things. So if you want to screenshot, okay, this is the aspect. Just click on this box at the left hand side here. Can you see it? Capture and save. Just click on it. Capture and add as a clip. Capture and add as other stuff. So I know you're gonna discover a lot of things yourself too, but I think I've given you the basics. Even these are more than basics. You can see I've explained almost all the functions here. So let me see what more. Okay, another thing is, can you see where I click now? Let me go back and for you to see. So I click this one that looks like house symbol here. It's actually where you can install a lot of things like these ones are for let me see. I think I've used one. So you can, this is where you download a lot of things like your text, font style, what's it called, the cover, the effects. Okay, let me show you transitioning. I've not done that. That will be the last thing for this video. Now assuming, okay, good, assuming I have another video I want to add to the end of this video, I will show you how to do your transitioning now. It's very cool, you love it. So transitioning is how one video moves to another. So I'm going to click on another video here. Let me see. So let me just click on this. You can see I've added it. So now if you want to transition from the first video to the second video, you will see it here. It is always joined. The first video and second video will be joined with plus symbol. Can you see this plus symbol? So to do the transitioning, you click on the plus symbol. Then you can see I've installed a lot of all these ones above here. They are installed transition effects, but the basic one that will be there are 3D transition. So you see the ones I use for my picture inside my video, this is the one I actually use. Can you see that? So if you don't want that, if you want this one, just click on it, or this, or this. How did I do it? Let me show you. I click on the plus symbol here, then once I click it, it will take me to the transitioning effect. So just go through all these transition effects here. Okay, just go through it. This is another one here. Zoom out so you can see all the, so that's how to add transitioning to your, so that's that's that about that. So I'm going to stop the video now. I believe you have gained a lot of things in this video. Just you can try it out yourself. There are a lot of things to test out that you soon discover yourself by giving you more than the basics, and the ones I've even covered is up to like 80 or 90%, because those are the things you need. Okay, thank you guys for watching this video. See you in class. This is the voice of Awesome Mike.